Good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself that I am Abel Decoton Jr., a second-year student, BSES. So, today I will be presenting to you my article entitled The Impact of Climate Change on Mangrove Subsistence Fisheries. So, it is a global review, and also, this study focuses on how climate change affects the mangroves and the small scales fisheries that depends on him. So, to give you the overview of my article or the chosen article, that mangroves is very important ecosystem found along the coastline. So, they provide shelter for a fish and support the lives of our many fishermen. So, however, climate change is now threatening these ecosystems, especially through heat waves and the typhoons. So the main objectives of this study is to assess and combine existing knowledge about how climate change affects mangroves ecosystem. So it focuses on extreme events like heat waves and typhoons. So it also aims to estimate how these changes may affect futures livelihoods in the future. So this study used a global review that means the researchers gather information from many previous studies around the world. So they use different fields such as biology, ecology, fisheries science, and social science to better understand it.
The authors summarize how environmental variables altered by climate change affect mangrove stocks and fisheries, build a simple model to intimate how many fisheries day might be the last to different types of climate effects over the next decades.
So for our data analysis, so the researcher analyzed how environmental changes caused by the climate change affect mangroves and fisheries. So they also estimate how many fishing days may be lost due to climate-related events on the future. To summarize the results and discussion of this study or the article is that the results shows that climate change has a strong impact on mangroves forest and subsistence fisheries. So the model estimated that fishermen could lose between 1 to 21 fishing days per year so due to climate events. As we all know that among the climate impact studies, strong typhoons are the biggest threat. So the next would be the heat waves, followed by the weaker typhoons. So these events damage mangroves and reduce fishing opportunities. So the effect of the communities. So these changes affect not only the environment itself but also the people. So fish stocks may decrease which lowers fishermen's income. So it affects also the food supply can also be affected. So and the communities may become less resilient to the future disasters. In my conclusion, that we all know that climate change is threatening mangrove-based fisheries. So it reduces fish opportunities and disrupts both natural ecosystem and the human communities. So who is the author of the article? So the author of the article must be Rowana B. Alberto, Judith A. Tiano, Annie Melinda P. Paz, Alberto, Mark Anthony B. Tingano, Hazel Jade A. Villamar, Sarah Clement, Dave G. Montagnes, Andrew P. Morse. So, when and where was the article released? So, it published online June 5, 2024. So, on the journal Marine Life, Science and Technology. So, it can be found the volume 6, page 610 to 630. So, what is the independent and dependent variable of the article? So, as we all know that this is a review or the model-based study rather than experiment. So the independent study of this article must be the climate change impact, especially heat waves, low category typhoons, and the high category typhoons. Then the independent variable of this study is the number of fishing days lost. So by subsistence fisheries due to climate fish impact.
How does it connect to your study posting the analysis of flora-fauna conditions in selected barangays of Hinanangan Southern Leyte?
So, in connection of the chosen topics that we choose, post-Tino analysis of flora and fauna condition in selected barangays of Hinanangan Southern Leyte, it is also connected to my chosen article. which is the impact of climate change on the mangrove hesitant fisheries, or it is the global review. So it is both connected, it is both study environmental changes and their impacts ecosystem and to the communities. So and also they both study the impact or examine the effect of typhoons, Tino, flora and fauna. Then to give you the overall connection of these two topics, they both assess climate and weather disturbance effect on ecosystems and the human communities.
What is the relevance of your study in the society?
So the relevance of my study or my chosen article to the society is it helps understand the impact of natural disaster on the local communities or the plants and the humans. Also, they provide data improve ecosystem management and conservation planning after storm. Then in the community human relevance, it is also to show how changes flora and fauna affect community resources such as food resources, farming and fishing, livelihoods, materials, and wood, or it can be wood, medicine, and plants ecosystem.